How we all doing, guys? I have a load of old TV shows that we used to do on Irish TV saved on my Skybox that I'm about to lose because I'm upgrading the Sky. So the only way I can keep them is to record them from the TV and put them straight up onto YouTube. The quality is crap. The sound is crap. The lighting is crap. I talk in the third person all the time. But I tell you what, if you just keep an eye on what I'm actually doing, they're still amazing recipes and you'll learn a lot on how to cook. So sit back, relax and enjoy, because they're going to be gone and gone forever, because unfortunately the channel went, well, basically tits up. So here we are, guys, couple of different recipes. Just give us a like, give us a share, give us a subscribe. Hey, I'm getting old. I could do with the help. Hope you enjoy it. Remember the theme of this episode, guys. It's all called quick and easy, because I want you spending less time in the kitchen and more time at the dinner table with your family all around it, having a laugh. What you do in school today, what you do in work today, Dad. That's what it's all about with Cooking with Treyvaud. So what are we doing here? We're going to spatchcock a chicken. Don't laugh. We're going to spatchcock a chicken, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, only I'm going to take it up a little notch, Treyvaud style. So here's what we do, guys. We've got one chicken. Now, I know there's loads of people who love learning different techniques. So if you're going to do this for the first time, I want you to go out and get a supermarket chicken, because I don't want you practicing on a more expensive one. So here's what we're going to do. We've got the legs, the breasts, the wing, and spatchcocking means we're going to remove the backbone through here. So how do we do it? We're going to open it up and get your knife in, and literally it's coming right down the middle here. You see it? So we're going to put our knife in and push down nice and hard. Okay, we're going to do the same on this side. Push it down nice and hard. So we're going to do that all the way up through the backbone. Let's have a look. Follow the move that we already have. And then once you've got a little bit of an opening like this, all we're going to do is we're going to keep going all the way down until the backbone is removed. So push it down. And remember what I said, guys. Always get good quality knives, good quality pots, good quality pans. So let's take it down and push. And you see, I'm not putting a huge amount of pressure on it, but it's still coming away nicely. Go down the other side, and then we turn it down, and let's just finish it off and remove out our backbone. Now, once you get to the end, all you got to do is just go straight down, and it comes out all on its own. Little nick. Now, that is what we call a classic spatchcocking, but Treyvaud wants to take it up a level, because 2 minutes of extra work at this stage saves you so much hassle when we're down enjoying it. So I'm going to change over my knife. Small chopping knife. This is called a boning knife, but you can do it with either or. So what we've got inside is the rib cage, and I'm going to remove it so that when we're carving it later on, it just goes straight through and you don't need to worry about anything. So let's lift it up, and that's why I want you practicing now on one of these chickens, because it's not so expensive. So bring it down and push your knife right up against the bone, so we're not wasting anything. And we're going to do the same on this side, right up against the bone. So follow it all the way down, and keep your knife up nice and neat up against that bone. Take it down. Look at this, how easy this is, guys. Just be a little bit careful when you come up to the top. So once you get up to this, just work your knife down along the bone. Take your time. Look, let the knife do the work, because it's nice and sharp. So let the knife do the work. So we're going to finish that off, and we're going to pull it straight out. See the way I've got it there now, guys? Look, that's the whole rib cage in it. Just get your knife, follow it down. Swap over your other knife now. Straight through. Get it down and put it straight through. That's what we're looking for, guys. Take out the rib cage, take out the bones, get rid of that. And now all we need to do is marinate it. So let's just get a little bit of oil. So we've got a tray here, and we just put in maybe a tablespoon of oil or something like that. And we're going to I'm going to use sweet chili this time, but use your imagination. Come up with whatever you want to use. A little bit of sweet chili. And if you really wanted to do this, you could do it the night before. And we just want to get this bad boy right up here, mix it all up. And this couldn't be any easier, guys. Get your hands in there. Beautiful. So here's what we do. Let's throw a little bit of lemon in there as well, just to get a bit of flavor and a bit of steam and make our chicken nice and succulent, because that's what we want. Nice, succulent chicken. Gonna put on our wire rack, and the reason why we're doing that is so that the air comes in underneath it as well, and it's gonna crispen up everything. Let's get our chicken there. And the great thing, and this is what Treyvaud says, quick and easy. You're saying to roast a chicken, Treyvaud, it's gonna take an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes. No, because we've taken out the bones. We've taken out all the hard work. This is gonna roast in about 45 minutes. But first of all, we're gonna season it, rock salt. I'd be quite happy just eating the skin off the chicken. Rosemary, chicken, they love each other, so let's put in. If you don't have rosemary, you can put in whatever you want. Mixed herbs, oregano, anything. And the last thing is always remember your seasoning, guys. A little bit of cracked black pepper. This is going into a preheated oven, 180 degrees, for 45 minutes. We're gonna roast the chicken in 45 minutes. Can you believe that? Let's go. Think of all the hard work that we did, guys. We've got a beautiful roast chicken right here, cooked in 45 minutes, and it was so easy to do. So here's what we're gonna do, guys. We wanna take it off and put it just a little bit out of the way. Now be careful, this tray is red hot, because believe it or believe it not, guys, everything I put into the oven is exactly how it comes out. We cook it in real time here, so be careful, it's hot, but just lift it up out of the way, and we get on to the next thing. So what are we doing? Think about what we're doing. We're making a great family meal. So we're gonna bring the chicken down to the table for all the kids. We're gonna get everything ready. We've got beautiful wraps. Now they're just warmed, right? For about maybe 2 or 3 minutes in the oven, just to warm them through, take out the kind of the coolness out of them. And then we've got whatever dipping sauces you want, okay? And there are loads to pick from. I've got sweet chili sauce here. I've got a beautiful hoisin sauce, and my favorite, the hot sauce, because I tell you, sometimes Treyvaud likes it hot. So now we need to put something in to go with the wraps. And I've got a little selection. Again, guys, use your imagination. Don't be afraid to think. We've got some beautiful iceberg lettuce. We've got a couple of different peppers. We've got a little bit of carrot. We've got an onion, and we've got some beautiful bean sprouts. And guys, these are all going to work together. So let's just see exactly what we're doing here. Iceberg lettuce. Iceberg lettuce is one of the most economic lettuces out there, because it just goes and goes and goes. You get so much out of it. Slice it down in half, and you reveal the root. You see it down there? We want to get rid of that, so slice it down in half again. And it's like cabbage, it's like anything. You see it down at the very bottom, guys? Look, we want to get that out because it's bitter and it's too tough. So just slice it out like this. And now we're going to cut it nice and fine. Remember, we're putting them into a wrap. So again, like I said earlier on, as a julienne. You see the way we're keeping the team going? So just slice it down as thin as you can get it. Now flick it over, and you're going to get lovely thin slices out of it like that, okay? Take your time with it, guys, okay? Don't be rushing. So just, like, if your knife skills aren't as good as that, just take your time. See the way? Nice and easy, okay? And we want to put a good selection. Remember, your kids should be here at the countertop with you going, what's next, Mom? What's next, Dad? Because that's what we want them at. Put it back on to our bowl like this. Let's take out our peppers. And the flavor, but most importantly, remember what the theme of the show is today. It's quick and easy. And that's exactly what we're doing. Quick and easy. Let's get our pepper. As you turn the knife, turn the pepper with you. Turn the pepper. Turn the pepper, turn the pepper. Oh my God, take out the seeds. That's how easy it is. That's what I want you doing, into Treyvaud's little magic hideaway underneath. Slice it in half. Take out if there's anything there, flick it over. And this is how I want you to do it again. Julienne it, guys, right? So nice and fine like that, okay? Nice and fine. Everything nice and fine. You get the idea. You'll be able to do this now at home. So we've got our red peppers there. So, carrot, julienne it. Same kind of size, matchstick size. Take the top piece off so you can roll it over. And look, guys, it doesn't rock as much anymore now, so it's nice and stable. Keep it down like this. And if you wanted, guys, you can have all this done in advance while your chicken is roasting. Saves all the hassle. Let's go in. Get a nice, Again, it's all for flavor, for texture. That's exactly what we're looking for. Finish it all the way through. Put in our little bits of carrot. Last thing, a nice shallot. Look at that. If you want to just use an onion or spring onions, that's fine. But a little bit of variation. Straight down in half. You see the root at the bottom, guys? We don't want that there at all. We want to take it out. So let's just slice it out like that. Beautiful. And now, same thing. Just nice and julienne. So you get the idea, guys. You do this all at home. Have it all done in advance to save you all the hassle. Now, let's go. Pick up something to lift up your chicken. Get right in underneath it. And it's sticky from our sweet chili. Remember, look, there's no bones under there. So we just slice it right down at the middle. You can hear the crispy skin going straight through, lads. Oh my God. Oh, look how succulent that is, guys. Look at the juice. Oh my God. Look, that's exactly what we are looking. The juice is oozing out of it. Pick up your wrap. Pick up your spoon. I love a little bit of sweet chili. Do you know what? Treyvaud's feeling good. I'm going to go for a bit of everything. I'm going to get a little bit of my hoisin or oyster sauce, whichever you decide to put in. And it's just, remember that little bits of everything go such a long way. And my favorite of the hot sauce. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. You know what? You know I'm getting excited, don't you? That's what it's all about. Put down your wrap. Just a little bit of lettuce underneath. Look at this. Look how succulent and tender that chicken is, guys. Look at the steam piping out of it. Oh, yes. I'm excited. We've nailed it again, guys. A little bit of onion. A couple of bean sprouts. Oh, come on. And a little bit more lettuce. And just a sprinkle of salt. I'm getting excited. Close it over at the two sides like that. Fold it over. Crunch it in like that. Crunch it in. Slice at an angle. Always think presentation, guys. Always think presentation. Get it nice and tight. And this one, lads, is a dish that's going to get nice and messy and gooey. And you'll be cleaning up the face and licking the fingers. And as they say in TV, guys, that is a wrap.